In most cases, installing wheel spacers won't void the car warranty, as long as they fit properly and are correctly torqued. These wheel spacers won't damage your cars. Different brands may have different regulations, so it is recommended to check carefully before installing. As manufacturing technology improves, wheel spacers are getting more durable and tough. As long as you install correctly, brand half-century spacers will have a negligible effect on the suspension part. In other words, even when long-term use, your car warranty is not affected by wheel spacers. Even some famous aftermarket wheels manufacturers offer wheel spacers to fit their wheels. For decades, wheel spacers have been used widely on many vehicles with no problems. Just get the top quality wheel spacers, and you can make the car perform better and look more stylish. Brand spacer manufacturers spend much time, money, and resources to optimize the spacer design. Get genuine wheel spacers and have them installed by professionals. Then there is nothing to worry about, since a spacer is a connecting part that holds a vehicle hub and wheel together. Precise wheel spacers are the best option. BONOSS forged wheel spacers are generally produced by 0.02mm CNC machining, which ensures a smooth surface and stable construction. In other words, the higher the precision, the better the performance. Made of advanced machining and undergone a series of safety tests. They are approved by SGS and TÜV. These SGS TÜV certified tire spacers are completely safe to use. BONOSS wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage half-century rings. The half-century metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the bevels fit the corresponding hub range, which eliminates any possible gaps. Besides, BONOSS forged FT cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distribute in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Additionally, BONOSS wheel spacers offer a 10-year warranty. Within the warranty period, BONOSS will offer a full refund for the defective item. Therefore, if you're into to buy good spacers, the BONOSS forged FT cooling wheel spacers will be a perfect option.
If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and as always, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a good day.